Which hidden GPS tracker for your car is actually worth it? Simple question, but you have to dig a bit to find the answer. Today, we're diving into 5 top options that could give you peace of mind. Product number 1, Brickhouse Spark Nano 7. Let's kick things off with the Brickhouse Spark Nano 7. This little device caught my eye with its compact size and affordable price of just $12.99. If you want reliable real-time tracking without breaking the bank, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Spark Nano 7 offers 4G coverage across North America, which means you can track your vehicle anywhere, anytime. Plus, it comes with a magnetic waterproof case, so you can attach it to your car discreetly without worrying about the elements. With a battery life of up to 14 days, it's designed to keep you connected without hassle. It's got a 4.1-star rating from nearly 1,000 reviews, showing that many users find it dependable. Now, some people complained about the subscription fees, starting at $17.99 a month. Here's the thing though, if you're serious about keeping your vehicle safe, that's a small price to pay for peace of mind. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly option for tracking your vehicle. Skip this one if you want something with longer battery life or more advanced features. Overall, it offers great value for money. Now, if the subscription fees of the Spark Nano 7 bothered you, the next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Tracky Pro GPS Tracker. Next up is the Tracky Pro GPS Tracker. Priced at $29.88, it's a bit higher but offers some pretty amazing features. If you're looking for a tracker that lasts longer and provides comprehensive tracking, this one's definitely worth considering. The Tracky Pro has a battery life of up to 7 months, which means less hassle with recharging. With real-time GPS tracking and alerts for speed and movement, you're always in the know when it comes to your car's whereabouts. It's rated 4.3 stars with over 3,500 reviews, indicating that many people trust this product for their tracking needs. Now, some users mentioned that the setup can be a bit tricky at first. But honestly, once you get it up and running, the ongoing benefits far outweigh that initial frustration. This is perfect for you if you want a long battery life and robust tracking features. Skip this if you need something super simple and straightforward. With its features, it's still reasonably priced for what you get. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prefer a wired solution. Product number 3, Optimus Wired GPS Tracker. The next product is the Optimus Wired GPS Tracker, priced at just $19.95. This one really stood out to me for its easy installation and reliable tracking capabilities. If you want something that you can wire directly into your vehicle, this could be a great choice. What's great about this tracker is its precise tracking every 30 seconds or even every 10 seconds if you upgrade. It also offers real-time alerts for movement, speeding, and more, which enhances your ability to monitor your vehicle effectively. With a 4.5-star rating from 1,900 reviews, many users appreciate its reliability and affordability. Now, some folks have mentioned that hardwiring can be a hassle, especially if you're not comfortable with car electronics. But here's the thing, once it's set up, you won't have to worry about charging batteries or losing signal. This is perfect for you if you want a wired device that provides consistent tracking. Skip this if you're looking for a portable option. For the price, it's a solid investment. Now, if you want something with a longer battery life but still easy to install, the next product on my list is a must-see. Product number 4, Cube Pro GPS Tracker. Now let's talk about the Cube Pro GPS Tracker, which comes in at $74.95. This might seem pricey, but it packs a punch with its features. If you're in the market for something that combines durability with ease of use, this is worth your attention. The Cube Pro boasts an impressive battery life of up to a year, which means less worry about recharging frequently. It's waterproof and has a built-in SIM for worldwide tracking, making it a versatile choice for various situations. With a 4.6-star rating from over 325 reviews, it's clear that users appreciate its reliability and effectiveness. Now, the downside is that the initial cost is higher than other options. But I'll be real with you, if you want the convenience of a long-lasting, reliable tracker that you can install and forget about, it's a worthwhile investment. This is perfect for you if you want a hassle-free installation and long battery life. Skip this one if you're not ready to invest in a premium option. It delivers solid functionality for the price. Lastly, if you're looking for a compact and affordable solution, the final product might just be what you need. Product number 5, Tracky GPS Tracker. Finally, we have the Tracky GPS Tracker coming in at a very reasonable $14.90. This little device has gained a lot of popularity with over 42,900 reviews and a 4.1-star rating. If you want something compact and easy to use, this is a great choice. The Tracky GPS Tracker offers 4G coverage and is one of the smallest trackers out there. It comes with a magnet and a waterproof cover, making it super easy to hide and use in various situations. Plus, it gives you real-time tracking and alerts for speed and movement, which is essential for keeping tabs on your vehicle. However, some users reported that the battery life could be short, lasting only 5 days in real-time mode. But here's the thing, if you're looking for something that's easy to install and monitor regularly, the convenience might be worth it despite the shorter battery life. This is perfect for you if you need a small and discreet option for tracking. Skip this if battery life is your top priority. For its low price, it offers excellent value for anyone needing basic tracking. So we've covered quite a few options today. To wrap things up, we explored 5 great hidden GPS trackers for cars. The Brickhouse Spark Nano 7 is perfect for budget-conscious buyers, while the Tracky Pro offers a longer battery. The Optimus Wired Tracker is ideal for those who prefer a wired solution. The Cube Pro gives you long-lasting reliability, and the Tracky provides a compact option. Whatever your needs, there's a tracker here that can fit your requirements perfectly.